Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve. We are facing some issues on Stumble guys. To know how to fix or how to solve, we are facing some issues on Stumble guys. You should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Stumble guys and we click. Then in this list of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Stumble guys. When you find it, you can click here update if you will find it in this blue sign to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.